friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing because I have such a beautiful wig installed and it is beginner friendly. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. It's not every day that I'm surprised, y'all. It's not every day that I'm trying something new, because if you know anything about me, I've reviewed over 400 wigs. I don't even know how many at this point. So I've reviewed a lot of wigs, and it's always good when I get surprised by a new style or a curl texture, because I'm like, didn't I try that? But I haven't tried this. Let's welcome back today's hair sponsor, Afsister Wig. I'm obsessed with them. You guys know this. We are like this, and you know why, because they have some of the best wigs in the game. Let me show you why. Before we get into that, I'm going to tell you what I have installed. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 9x6 Burmese curly HD Skin Melt Glueless Wear and Go wig. This is a glueless closure wig that's giving frontal. It also has an elastic band that has anti-slip grip, so you can wear her glueless like I'm wearing today. You can see she's not falling off and she's stuck there. She's 100% glueless. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of today's install. Now we have our cut lace. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life. You like. I think ultimately I'm going to style this in a middle part, because middle part just looks the best on me. But you can definitely style her side part, as you can see. It can give a deep side part. So in this bottle, I have just some conditioner and water. I wet the hair. It is completely saturated. I'm gonna brush it and then wring out the extra water. Okay, this is how you define the curls. Bio Silk conditioner, okay? And I'm gonna take it and run it through the hair. You have to comb through it and define those ends. So brush, hold, and then let go. Or you can part it, because there's lots of lace on this unit. You can see we're giving side part, but like side part doesn't eat on me. Middle part eats on me also. What we're leaving it as. Open up the part a little bit more. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. There we have it, y'all. Beautiful glueless install. She comes with a deep side part, so you can definitely wear her side part. But guys, I'll insert a pic of this wig in a side part. It's not giving on me. I say this all the time, but I'm always gonna style the wig the way that I feel most comfortable and the way that I like This is how much lace she has. This part does kind of flap up. It doesn't really stay flat, but it's okay because once you just press that hair down, it's fine. It looks really good and really natural. Like if you want the curls to look like this little ringlet, you gotta take it, the ends, and define it. And it loves conditioner water. Put it in a little spray bottle like this, and then spray it, and then get a good detangling brush and brush her out. That's what I use to style this wig. Very easy, beginner friendly install, glueless wig, like baby. Yeah, love that. It's so pretty. Look at the lace base. Look at that deep parting space. Beautiful. It goes all the way back. You have 6 inches that you can do updos with. You can do whatever you want. It's so pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Leave your thoughts and let me know if the side part's eating, because I feel like the middle part is. I gotta go, guys. I'll catch you later in another review real soon. Thanks for watching.